What you're about to see today is like nothing you have ever seen before. I can guarantee that. Okay, this is a groundbreaking software, and I'm not just saying that because we built it, because I've been doing this for a long time, and I've been dreaming of being able to create something this powerful. But everything changed when ChatGPT came on the scene. Just everything changed, because before then, I was buying AI powered tools and everybody seemed to be selling the same product. You would buy a product on AppSumo and it would have, you know, copywriting formulas, it would have article writers, and it would have this and it would have, everybody had the same things. They were all selling the same product from the same IP. And I thought, why is nobody actually giving you an end-to-end product? And so I didn't really get that much into the AI stuff until December last year, when ChatGPT came out, and like many other people, I was just completely taken aback by what we were witnessing there. So that changed everything, and that is, and what you're going to see today is a result of that. It's just incredible stuff. So what I'm going to show you today is how we can automatically, in just a few clicks, create optimized YouTube channel content in any niche with ease. Okay, just a few clicks, even if you don't know anything about the topic. Okay, because ChatGPT has got huge amounts of knowledge and it can write about any topic you like, and it can drive traffic, and I will show you some case studies on that as well. Okay, and not just creating the videos, but it will upload the videos into YouTube and it will optimize them. So from start to finish, from having an idea to having an optimized video on YouTube, it takes about 5 minutes. Okay, just 5 minutes in total. And it can also create playlists. It can create an about page for your channel, and it can even put the timestamped key moments within your description, which if you try to do manually before AI, that would take a long time, because you would have to go through all your video and find the right timestamp and then put that into your YouTube description. Well, all of this happens all in about 5 minutes. Okay, it's completely automated. All you have to do is make a couple of choices along the way. But not only that, you can even re-optimize your existing YouTube content. Okay, that means you can go and change the title, have ChatGPT rewrite the titles, and you can do this in bulk, by the way. You can do 100 videos at a time if you've got hundreds of videos on your channel, and it takes just seconds to do for all of those videos. It will rewrite title, rewrite description, put timestamps, put a call to action as well. You can even do it by groups if you want. And that is a game changer for me, because that is something that I really wanted for a long time. And for you guys who are here tonight, I've got a very exclusive bonus just for you as well. Okay, this is a very high quality bonus that I got built specifically for Jeremy and for this webinar. Okay, so you will get to know about that at the end. But when you see this tool and when I introduce the bonus, you will see that the bonus is very high quality, and you will appreciate what we have built for you, that was built just today, just for this webinar. Nobody else has got this bonus anywhere. Okay, and you're going to learn how to set up as well future video content. So not only do you create the videos, okay, but you can actually set it to post new videos every day, hands-free, completely hands-free, with just those 5 minutes that you set up. Okay, the same 5 minutes that you're creating the video, it's going to, you can just make a decision if you want to have future videos created and posted into your YouTube channel, completely hands-free. It's set and forget. There's never been anything like this built before. Okay, so I'm going to show you how all of that works. Okay, now before ChatGPT, this is what I was doing, and it was a problem to be able to do this and scale up, because we needed to hire various people to be able to create a simple video. Okay, I would have somebody write a video script, and then I'll have to go and find somebody else who would make the video for me. And I had, you know, purchased before from places like JVZoo and Warrior Plus some nice video making tools. Well, at least they look nice on the sales page, but when you actually purchase them and you go to use them, They were very, very confusing. They come with a steep learning curve. And before you know it, you just think, this is too much trouble. I'm just going to go to Fiverr.com and get someone else to do it for me. I haven't got time to learn the software. And so we have got, with NicheBlasta, we have bypassed all of that. You don't even need to touch a video editor at any point, okay? But before, if you wanted to create just one of these videos, you would have to hire script writer, you would have to hire somebody to create the videos, and you would be paying for that as well. Now, I used to pay $10 per video, and that was me cutting it down and getting it as low cost as possible. I paid $10 per video. Now I can create videos. I can schedule 50 or 100 videos in just 5 minutes. It's that simple and so easy to do, okay? And it doesn't cost me a tenner each time, okay?
Can I jump in and just say something real quick, Tony? And really express what this means, like what the power of that is we all know that YouTube is the most, it's like the top, it's got to be in the top 3 platforms with the highest traffic of any other platform on the planet. And when you can tap into YouTube, especially with a tool like this, I mean, it's just this software really gives you the ability to get, I hate to say the word unlimited traffic, but unlimited traffic. I mean, the name is very well suited, NicheBlasta. And you can go into any niche and just dominate in the YouTube space without having to create the videos yourself. Like this thing creates the videos, makes the playlist, like you said, schedules them out. And so, you know, one of our biggest concerns is traffic, having a following, how to, you know, grow something on social media. I don't necessarily care about creating YouTube videos myself, but I know the power of it. I create videos strictly for that traffic and that presence, and that's going to allow you to just go into any niche. So I just really wanted to stress that this is a super powerful tool if you're looking to get traffic and to tap into any niche. I mean, it's huge, huge.
Cool. Okay. As I was saying, the problem we had before is we have to hire people. The biggest problem for me though was this: by the time you get your video back, you've lost momentum with that. Okay, you had the energy to get it started, to get the project started. You get the thing back about 3 days later, and you've got to pay a bunch of money for it, and the energy has gone out of the project. The momentum has just completely disappeared, and now all of that is completely gone. Okay, now you can build what we call cash cow YouTube channels. Okay, you can build an empire of them. You could build multiple channels every single day in just a few minutes per channel. Okay, this is real stuff. This is not some BS. It's not hyped up. This is real stuff, and I'm going to show you that in just a second. But before I do that, let me just give you a brief overview of what we've done before, because we have got some channels that I've created before. I'm going to show you one of these, and this, let's bring this over here. You can see this channel here. We built that with NicheBlasta a few weeks ago. And if I click in here, you can see this channel already has had 42,537 views, okay? 42,537 views. And it's also even got 92 subscribers from just 6 videos, okay? And this is the power of being able to just knock out these kind of channels very quick and very easy, okay? So bear that in mind as I show you around the tool, just how quick and how easy you can do this. And when I say that you can build an empire of these channels, then you know that I am not joking, okay? The thing is about when you're using AI, when you're using ChatGPT, it's inevitable that you're going to hit winners, okay? It's a very good quality copywriter. ChatGPT writes very high quality copy. It writes high quality headlines, high quality video scripts, okay? You're going to hit some winners. I've got some videos with over 30,000 views. just because the titles are very, very good and the script is very, very good. So as people start to watch the video and the retention on the video is good because the video script is good, then YouTube starts to share your video and recommend it to other people who might be interested. That's how the YouTube algorithm works. And this is why it's inevitable that we will stumble upon some winners, okay, just by knocking out different channels and being consistent. But when you see how easy it is, it becomes, you know, just a huge opportunity rather than a chore of what you have to do to make that happen, okay? So we created this groundbreaking software, and I want to show you the software because the sooner I show you this, the better, so that you can understand, okay? So we have this tool. It's a Windows desktop tool, okay? And it's going to create videos. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here and I'm going to start a new project. I'm just going to call this one Webinar Demo, okay? Just for a project name, that's just for you, okay? And when I come in here, what I can do is I can choose to create a video, okay? Now, to create a video, I can click on here to generate. And when I generate, you can see we've got some drop down here, okay? We've got some drop downs. These are for different types of videos. We can do with research or without research, or we can do just by simply adding a URL, okay? So if I want to go and create an affiliate video, for example, okay, affiliate marketing video, an FAQ style video, all I need to do is put in the sales page URL, okay? I'm going to put for NicheBlasta so you can see this. Okay, NicheBlasta AI, and I'll add the video. Okay, now what is happening? You can see down here, it's already started to work. And what it's going to do is it's going to go over to that website, that web page, and it's going to read the sales page. And it's going to come back with a video script. It's going to write a video description. And at the same time, it's going to give me the hashtags, and it's going to create the timestamped key moments for that video script. And then when we tell it to, it's going to create the video, which is just another click. In the meantime, when that's happening, what I can do is I can choose an account. Okay, so I need to work from an account that I want to put up there. So you can see I've got 58 YouTube channels in here. I'm going to choose just one of these so that I can put something up quickly. And I'm going to choose one that I do not have a double opt-in. So let me just check one of these channels up here. Okay, I'm going to choose this one here and click on import. Now, to create your accounts, it's very easy. All you have to do is log into your Google account within the software, and then you click to start authorizing an internal API. Now, the internal API that we got here, I don't want to get too technical, but you need to understand that if you are using YouTube with a normal YouTube API, you're limited up to only upload about 5 or 6 videos a day. We've actually bypassed that. My developer has created an internal API that means we can put unlimited videos on YouTube every single day. You won't find that anywhere else. That is just exclusive to this particular tool. So as we're waiting for this, you can see it's creating the video script, okay? And what it's going to do is create for us, if I come back into the video, it's going to create for us here a headline. And when that appears, we can double click on that, and then we can choose some stock footage that we're going to use, okay? But also what we can do is we can choose the voices that we want to use. Now listen to these voices. These are very, very high quality voices, okay? Let's see this one here.
You cannot find yourself by going into the past. You can find yourself by...
Okay, so we got that one.
It is the mark of an educated mind to be able to entertain a thought with...
Okay, so these are very, very high quality.
You cannot find yourself
voices.
by going into the past.
Okay, so we're going to choose this one, and I'll come back, and this should appear in probably about 60 seconds or about a minute. While that is happening, though, I'm going to show you some other tools that we got in here. Remember I mentioned about the re-optimized videos? Well, what we can do is we can simply create a new project, and we can give the project a name. I'm going to call this one Webinar Demo again. And I'm going to come over to the YouTube account I want to work with. And all I need to do is choose the YouTube channel I want to work with. Okay, so I'm just going to find my main one here, and I'm going to click on add the project. And when I come down here, what I can do is click on the import. And I've got two screens here, guys. That's why I'm sliding things over. And you can see it's found 216 videos, public videos that I've got on my channel. Okay. Now what I can do is I can choose a few of these. I can do all of them for one, but I usually group them. Okay. And what I can do then is, I'll just close that for a second. What I can do then is I can tell the software to add these selected videos. A second, it's not clicking for some reason. Let me just try that again. Oh, it's because that other one has popped open. I'll just close this. Okay, now I can add the selected videos. Okay, and what we can do then is we can tell ChatGPT to go and generate better titles, better description, and we can also apply a call to action. Okay, we can actually apply a call to action in here as well. And what to do that, we have to come over to the global snippets, and we can choose one of these. Okay, so we can put in here this one and learn more about NicheBlasta. That will go into all of these videos. And all I need to do is click on generate. And I'm going to choose new metadata with the transcript. So what it's going to do is going to download the transcript for all of those videos, understand what it's about, and it's going to create a better description, a better title, and it's even going to put the timestamped key moments in there, and then we can just simply upload the key moments. And you can see this is changing. You can see the original title here, and now we've got the ChatGPT title. And all I need to do here is start updating the videos, and that will be done in a few seconds. So we have just changed all the metadata. That's the title, description, put in call to action to all of those videos. We put in timestamp key moments to all those videos, and that took less than a minute. Okay, that's powerful, powerful stuff. There's never been anything built like that before. Now we've got a video here. The video has been created for the video script, and we've got the description, etc. Okay, and we can come over to the scenes. Okay, so here we can see that we got scenes in here for each of the key moments that the AI has identified for this video. Okay, so this video is an FAQ video. Okay, it's written in the style of an affiliate marketer. And all we need to do is we can choose the stock footage at each scene. Okay, so all I need to do here is I can choose something about online marketing, and I can just maximize that, make it horizontal, and do a search. This is the only part where you need to do anything. That's kind of funny. This one, there's a guy there, he's doing some Zoom call and he's got no pants on, so I'll choose that one because that is kind of light-hearted. Okay, next one is about artificial intelligence. What I'll do this one, just choose, for example, YouTube. I'll clear what we have here. Okay, and I'll take one of these, and I can go to the next one, do the same thing again. Okay, and I'll choose one of these again. Now I'm doing this quickly, and you would spend just a few seconds longer choosing the right kind of video. Okay, so I'll come back to digital marketing again. I'll clear those, make that horizontal, so we only got the ones that are horizontal, and I will choose this. Okay, and now I can do another one. Here it's talking about money, so we're going to put in here money. Okay, we should get some dollar signs show up here. And choose that quickly. Okay, we're going to choose the money one, and come down here, choose another one. This scene is about, this scene's about software, it's about guarantees. Click on this. Okay, I'll just take this one here just for quickness because we're on a demo. And here we have a call to action. See what comes up. I'll take this just for speed, okay? So now we've got a video that's going to be multi-scene, okay? And we've chosen the stock footage videos, the video clips that we're going to use. We've chosen the account, we've chosen the voice, okay? All I have to do now is to start uploading that into the channel, which channel I chose. Okay, I'm just checking, just double checking. Okay, now. You can see the progress that it's making here. Okay, while that's happening, we have another tool here we call the niche blocking tool. Let's go and have a look at this one. And we're going to choose without seeding prompts. And here, what I want to do is I want to create a series of videos. Now, here's the key to this. Even when you're using the niche, we've got a niche blocking tool and we have a NicheBlasta tool. Go and pal, you need to change the name here. Oh, you have already, sorry. Okay. Let's just go in here. So I'm going to give this a project name and we're going to give this keyword. Okay, this is going to create 5 videos at one time. And we're going to put in a call to action. Okay, put in call to action here. I'm going to choose a YouTube account. I'll choose one of these. And I'm going to put in a couple of keywords. I'll put them in here. Now I can choose to do multi-scene or single scene, but because we're on a webinar demo, I'm just going to click on add the project, okay? And that is ready to go as well. Again, we can go and choose the voice that we want to use. Okay, I'll choose a different voice this time. We'll take this guy here. And that's all we need to do with this. We also have some options here if you want to do pinging and indexing and stuff like that. I cover all that kind of stuff in tutorials. Now, let's come back over to see what's happening with this here. So it's creating the video. So it's basically taking these video scenes and it's creating the video from the video script and the video scenes and is putting that together with the voiceover to make the video. Okay, so that's happening in the background. While it is, let's go and show you how we can do future content. Okay, and at 5 minutes and I'm done with this, guys. The demo is so simple because the tool is so simple to use. Okay, I'm going to call this one demo number 2 and I'll click on add. Okay, now what if I want to go and create a lot of videos? Okay, what if I want to go and create a whole bunch of videos around a specific topic? Okay, what I can do is I can simply come into the video info. And I'm going to put this up to 10, okay? You can do more than 10. I think we can do more than 10. Oh, that's upload threads, sorry. I thought it was a number of videos. Okay, so video info. Click on generate. And this time I'm going to choose to do a niche video. And here's where I choose the number of videos. I'm going to choose here 15 videos. And I'm going to put in here fitness tips for over 50, for men over 50, okay? And I'll click on add the videos. And what it's going to do is going to create 15 different video titles and video scripts. And what we can do then is we can make that schedule. It's going to post 1 a day for the next 15 days. That's why you can do the future content well ahead of time. You can make it do 50 of these if you want to. And you can see how quick that was. It's created all these video titles. And all I need to do with this is start posting them whenever I want to post them, okay? I can choose the stock footage and I can just simply schedule them to post 1 a day, okay? And that means you've got future content happening. It's just set and forget stuff. Okay, let's come back to previous. See how we're doing with this. Bring that over here. Those keywords have taken over. This is, must be near uploading right now. It's creating the video metadata. That's the titles, description, tags, hashtags, and then it will create the timestamps. And all of that will be on YouTube in about a minute.
This is absolutely bonkers what you've shown so far, by the way.
Yeah,
This is
and we've done it very
crazy.
fast and kind of deliberately as well, because it's really easy. It takes, just, when as soon as we get these tools, I've got to learn them, but they're very intuitive, very, very intuitive. My developers really top quality, and we've been working together for since 2011. We've worked together. It's like 12 years now. So he does very, very good work, and it's very intuitive the way he makes the tools usable. And after using this for an hour, or even after just doing one campaign, you understand what's being done. Okay, so you understand how everything is working. So you can see this is turned green. That means it's been successfully uploaded. I'm just going to wait for this. In fact, I'll wait to 100%. And the reason for that is because it will still be rendering, because it's just been put into YouTube. And we can go and have a look at the optimization. We can have a look at the video. Okay, and you can see now it's complete. Click on this. Okay, give it a second. While that's still rendering, what we can do is we can come in here, and you can see the timestamps are in here. How long would that take to do before AI? That was a real task to get done. I was going to say something else there. It's got 3 paragraphs of text. Okay, it's got your hashtags. It's got some keywords in here, and this description has been done by AI. Okay, and you can see it's got a good headline: NicheBlasta AI, the ultimate AI video tool for any niche. These are good titles. This is good quality copywriting, good quality scripts. And if I refresh this, still processing, we need to wait for just a second. We'll be able to see that. But any video you put on YouTube, you have to wait for it to process. So we'll give it a second. Okay, let's see if we get any questions while that's happening. So what I've shown you in 5 minutes, we've completely re-optimized 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 videos on my channel, completely re-optimized. They've all got a call to action. They've all got timestamps, hashtags, better titles, etc., etc. All of that in just seconds once we clicked on start uploading. Okay, we set up this campaign here to be able to start to create content in here as well. I need to wait for this one. We'll come back to this one. Okay, and we've got this one as well. Come into the videos here, and if I open these up, you can see all these have been done. Okay, I've got video scripts, I've got description, video scripts, and description. Okay, all of these have been done in just a few minutes. This is why I say it takes just 5 minutes to put these together. You can choose if you want the software to do the videos for you, choose the video clips for you. If you choose the sort of fully automated version here, which is we call the niche poking tool, and when that kicks into action, it basically just does everything for you, even chooses the video clips, and it will put them into YouTube for you. So we're just waiting for YouTube for this video to render. Let's see if we get any questions.
Hey, I got, there's one that we get a lot of, and I even asked you this myself. What would you say to the folks that have a Mac? Just hit that question right on. I know a lot of people use VPS.
Yeah, there's a lot of people using the VPS. We've been building tools in .NET and Windows specifically because we can do a lot more automation with that. We're probably going to build a web app version of the tool, and we were talking about that today as well. But I can't say when that will happen. I can't say how soon that will be. Okay, but at the moment, this is a Windows desktop tool. I've got customers that take VPS to use a whole bunch of my tools. Okay, we've got more than one tool. We've got several very, very high quality tools for search engine optimization, for video marketing, for all different kinds of things. And we've got customers that have VPS just for using these tools. And you can get VPS quite inexpensively as well. So that's the solution for now, but we will build a web app at some point. I just don't know how soon that's going to be, because we're still adding more into NicheBlasta. We need to do for YouTube Shorts, and then we need to be able to take those vertical videos. and put them into TikTok with scheduling, put them into Instagram with scheduling and stuff like that. That's still to come. I think once we've got all that part done, then we can start to build the web app. But in the meantime, people can use a VPS.
Yeah, I was gonna say, you know, I use a VPS for a lot of things, and it's awesome for people that don't know what a VPS is, a virtual private server. And it's basically like having a second computer on the internet. You log in and you got, boom, it's a Windows screen, just like you would have right in front of you on your computer. And it's just like using a normal computer, but it's in like the cloud, I guess you could say. And you can get them for like $5-10 a month, like super cheap. And I use them a lot because some softwares, like you could set stuff to run in the background and it just runs 24/7, whether you're asleep or not. And so it's actually very, very valuable to have a VPS for a lot of different reasons. But a lot, you know, back when I was a Mac user, I used VPS a lot, and I still do, even with a Windows computer. So that's not a big deal. I like the fact that you're working on a web app, and I like that you guys, you know, I've been talking with I know you're about to play this video, but I know Anthony and I have been conversing about this tool for probably months now. And I'm really impressed how they're always adding and growing it and adding more features. Every time I talk to them, we just added this and this and this and this. And it's just insane with the progress that they continue to make on it. So I just wanted to commend you on that as well, Anthony.
Yeah, but you got to remember, I design these tools for me to use as well. Okay, these tools are not built for a launcher, just for list building, that kind of thing. I build these so that these are usable for me as well. These are very, very good tools. There's a lot goes into them because my developer is also my business partner. We don't have any restrictions with budget or anything like that. I've got a top quality developer who is continually adding stuff without any restrictions. We're not held back by anything like that. So anyway, let's have a look at this video, just a few seconds of it, just so you can see.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I share with you the best tools and tips for online marketing. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create stunning videos for any niche in minutes with NicheBlasta AI. NicheBlasta AI is a revolutionary software that uses artificial intelligence to generate high-quality natural language processing technology to deliver high-quality engagement by creating videos in minutes without hiring freelancers soon. So if you want to get access regarding the software, you can reach out to the friendly and helpful support team. It can help you create stunning videos for any niche in minutes with artificial intelligence.
Okay, this took longer because it's a 4-minute video. Usually these videos come out about 2 minutes. That's why it was taking longer to do this one, because I gave it a very, very long sales page. Okay, and it's gone through the sales page and it's understood what the product is about, and it's created the video script, it's created description, even the timestamps and everything else, and it's created a 4-minute video. I mean, you've never seen a video maker this simple before. It's not complicated. The only thing that you have to do is choose the stock footage. And if you don't want to choose the stock footage, you can simply use this top tool up here, which will do it for you. This is a semi-automated one, and this one is fully automated. So you can just give it a keyword and it will run. In fact, that's what I did with this channel here. This one has got 40,000 views. Okay, this was done with the first version of NicheBlasta. This was done just by giving it a keyword, plantar fasciitis. Now, I don't have a lot of knowledge about plantar fasciitis. Okay, you don't have to. You can be very, very new to any niche. And because ChatGPT has got all that knowledge, it will go and create these really, really good videos in, you know, just minutes. You can create, you know, huge amounts of videos every single day. Okay, but we do put some restrictions into the software to make sure you don't get any trouble from YouTube. Okay, and that is that we can put some limitations on how many videos you upload every day to keep your channel safe. They don't like if you upload a whole bunch of videos into the same channel all at one time. So what I suggest you do is you put in the settings, and we've got tutorials for this, to just do 1 video per day. Okay, and if you do that, your channels will always be safe, and you keep continually adding consistently into these channels. And you can do multiple channels a day, that's okay. But putting number of videos into a channel Just do one a day. At the end of 1 month, you're going to have 30 or 31 videos. Okay.
And you can pre-schedule all those videos,
Yeah,
like you
yeah.
said, right?
You can pre-schedule the whole lot. What we've done here is, if I just come over into the settings over here, into the settings, and we got here, let me just put my glasses back on, I can't see. Okay, so we've got AI settings and we've got stock footage service and stuff like that. We also got in here, just come down.
You know, that's really powerful because you can go create a brand new YouTube channel and have this thing drip out a new video every single day for you.
Yeah.
Just on complete autopilot, that's a beautiful thing.
Yeah, and here we got some channel upload limits, and you set these yourself, okay? And it's easier just to go into bulk edit, and you can just make sure that everything is set to do 1 video per day. You can see I put 1 day, 1 video per limit on all of these different channels, but there's no restrictions here. This is not just for 1 channel. You can do this for all your channels, okay? And you can use unlimited channels as well. Just keep going ahead and creating them. Or you can even purchase them very, very cheaply for $1 each. You can have people create these channels for you, and you just simply add them into the software and verify them within the software. And it's very quick and very easy to be able to do that as well. Okay, so that's basically NicheBlasta in a nutshell. It's a very simple tool to use, and it's a very powerful tool as well.
Hey, and Kathy, you've been asking questions. I don't know if you can see the chat, but the developer of the software is actually in the chat answering your questions too. You asked if I could see your questions. We can see all of your questions, but if you open up the little, at the bottom of the screen, there's a chat box and they're answering questions in there as well. So just wanted to let you know in case you're missing them. Man, Anthony, it's really a game-changing software. It's really beautiful because, like I said before, you can go into any niche and just start dominating it right away. Not dominating, you know, but just crushing it right away because it automatically makes your videos for you. I love that you could just put in a sales page and it just makes a video for you from the sales page. Like, that is crazy. That's crazy.
Yeah, we've just added some extra tools in here. We got video ads, and you can do video ads now, and we got 6 proven copywriting formulas. Okay, so we got attention, interest, desire, action, ADA, problem, agitate, solution, before, after, storytelling, feature, advantage, benefits. So you can choose any of them for video ads, and you can put them onto YouTube as video ads. And I give training, by the way, every single week we do a webinar. There's always a brand new strategy every single week that I cover. And we did YouTube ads for beginners, and that replay is in the members area, and I'll probably come back and do more with YouTube as well. And when we were doing a webinar, I was setting up a campaign, and we were getting half-cent clicks or half-cent video views, okay, because of the way I showed them how to do YouTube ads. Half a cent a view, okay. You know, this is really inexpensive traffic, really inexpensive traffic. You can choose to send thousands or tens of thousands of views to your videos just from YouTube ads if you want to. It's very quick and very easy. We've got tools in here for affiliate marketing. Again, you just put in the sales page and it's going to create an affiliate marketing promotion video for you. We've actually got 2 here, and we've got 2 more to come as well. I've requested an extra 2 affiliate marketing video types. The first one does like multi-angle sort of benefits type of video, and the next one is an FAQ style video, and I've asked to do another one that meets objections as well, so hopefully we'll have that one in a few days as well. And if you want to do something like breaking news channels, and you can do this in any niche, it can be news, it can be politics, can be sports, can be entertainment, it can be any topic where you get breaking stories. You can actually just keep building up a channel and start to build a community with videos that is just basically doing news stories. And all you do for that is you find an article that is, you know, on the internet, just came out for a breaking story, for example. You put the URL in and click the button. Okay, once you got your video script, then you choose your stock footage. Very quick and very easy, all of this. We also got for local businesses as well. Put in a business website. So if you're doing local marketing, then you could do very well with that. And the next webinar we're doing, actually training webinar, is going to be on Tuesday, and I'm going to show them how to do local marketing prospecting with these videos, so they can create one channel per day in a different niche and put one video on there and start to contact businesses and say, how do you want this channel? And that's a good way to be able to do prospecting, because if somebody's watching these videos, they can see that they're very decent quality, very high quality video scripts. And so if you're doing local marketing, you can charge a lot of money for them. Okay, so there's great possibilities there. Okay, so
that's a powerhouse for local too, because that's another way to rank that a lot of local businesses don't think about is YouTube. And you know, if you type in something on Google, a lot of the time it'll show a YouTube video right at the top of the results, and a lot of local businesses don't take advantage of that.
Yeah. Let's talk about how you can monetize this. So this is a discussion we've been having in the groups, and something I've been thinking about for a while as well. For the past few weeks, we've been, you know, thinking about the monetization opportunities, because it's not just, you know, trying to make money from YouTube AdSense, for one of it. I can't remember exactly what they call that. But you can also sell these videos. Okay, you can sell channel creation. You can upsell the future content as an upsell for channel creation, and you can even sell traffic, because I've given you the training. Trains already in the members area how to get half-penny clicks per video view. Okay, half a penny video view. That's incredible stuff. And you know, they've got the ability to be able to do that very quickly. But if you look on Fiverr.com, okay, you can see how much they're charging for what they call the faceless cash cow channels. This guy's charging $420. This guy's charging $900. Okay, I will create and manage a monetized YouTube channel, $900. I mean, NicheBlasta does that in a few minutes. What he's charging $900 for. This guy as well, 90 days content. Well, NicheBlasta can do that in a few minutes, 90 days content. If you go over to Fiverr, just to show this is real, you can see here the kind of prices that they're charging. But even the lower cost ones in here, once you click through on them, okay, you go to the premium over here, it's $80 for, you know, a 6 to 10 minute video with the scripts. That's one video, $80, one video. So you can monetize this as well if you want to do it as a service. And you can see, you know, people, they put the basic price. When you get to the premium price, you can see YouTube cash cow channel, create and upload videos for 1 month. Well, that's just a few minutes in NicheBlasta. 90 minutes for this guy, $920. So you can make money on it. But also, if you want to not sell services, you just want to go and create really interesting channels and just do some, what I call niche poking. Like the plantar fasciitis channel I showed you, that's the definition of doing niche poking. I knew nothing about that niche. I created, you know, a campaign, a project within NicheBlasta, and already it's got 42,000 views. So I know that I can double down on that niche. Okay, I can make better videos. I can make more videos. I can do what I want. Okay, I know that that's a winning niche. So I can start to look for how to monetize, whether it's going to be Amazon affiliate marketing, or whether it's going to be a ClickBank product telling people how to fix the plantar fasciitis or whatever it is. Once you find the winners, you can double down on those, and you can do a lot more videos. You can schedule, you know, one video a day for the next 6 months if you want, once you find your winners. And it took me only 6 videos on that channel to be able to get those kind of results. And you can find that again and again and again. Okay, because it's just inevitable with the quality of the copywriting with ChatGPT. That's going to happen. Okay, what if you want to do, you know, this kind of thing every single day? If you want to create one channel per day, you could schedule hundreds of new videos for multiple channels per day if you wanted to. But if you just did one channel per day, at the end of the month, you're going to have at least 30 channels. Okay, 30 channels, very, very quick, very, very easy to do. Okay, you can build a whole empire, and it's all on autopilot. And the types of channels, I'll let you guys give me some suggestions for this, because some people have got some great ideas as well how to use this. A lot of people have got light bulb moments going off when they see this particular kind of tool. But what you can do is anything that's information. You can do anything that's breaking stories. You can do news and sports or any topic. You can do niche marketing, just like I showed you with the health niche one that I did. Single product channels, if you want to do affiliate marketing, for example. Say you want to do evergreen or high ticket affiliate marketing. All you have to do is go and get the sales page URL, and you can go and tell it to do these 2 videos that we do that we got so far for affiliate marketing. But you can also expand on that by doing the 6 video ads. That will give you 8 videos, all promoting from that same URL that you put in there. That would not take a lot of time to do. You can just keep knocking the next project and next project and next project, and just keep knocking these videos out. Okay, very quick and very easy. And you know it's been uploaded for you. It's been optimized for you. And what's the chances that you get for ranking for those? Well, I did a test. I actually did a test with that. Let me just do a search on here. It's called affiliate funnel maps. Let me just see. I wanted to see how this would work for new launches, launch jacking, as we call it. You can see we have a strategy, and I teach this as well in the webinars. And you can see I created a channel called Affiliate Funnel Maps. And guess what happens when you do that? You get the top spot up here for your channel, and it's asking people to subscribe. And you can see I've got a video here, and we've got a video here. And let's see, I've got another couple of videos here. And when I first uploaded these videos, we had the top 5 spots. Okay, so if you want to do anything like affiliate marketing for launch tracking, if you start early, and I give you the strategies to do it, you can be monetizing that. You can be building your email list from that, which is quite powerful stuff.
That's powerful, man. It's really powerful.
Yeah.
What about YouTube shorts? Somebody asked about YouTube shorts. Any plans to like be able to use?
Yes, we're going to build it. We need to do that next. Actually, we've got a couple more tools to do from the URLs. One is for the affiliate marketing objections kind of video, and we got another one we can do from Twitter threads as well. We've tested that works quite well. So we can put in a Twitter thread into ChatGPT. It will actually write a video script. That means that we can create a video from other people's Twitter threads. Okay, some of those Twitter threads are very, very informative. So that's going to be done. And then I think we can go and start to do the vertical videos. When we do the shorts, we will also, you will have the scheduling, etc., like we got with this one. But also what we will do is we will do scheduling and uploading for TikTok and for Instagram as well. Okay, so that will give you those videos that you can create. You can put them in 3 platforms at one time: YouTube Shorts, Instagram, TikTok, and all at one time. Okay, so that traffic, that will be a big traffic magnet for that. So that should be done. I can't put a specific time and date on it. Maybe Gunpowell can mention in the chat how long that would take, but I don't think it would take too long. And I think we can get to it quite soon, because we've been working on a whole bunch of stuff in the background. So looking forward to that. That's going to be a game changer again once we've done that. Doing the re-optimization tool for me was a big game changer. Now when we do the shorts, it's going to be even more of a game changer as well. And we also got for local marketing. I managed to get a very, very good prompt for being able to create very, very high quality local marketing scripts. Okay, and it will talk about the business, and it will talk about the locality as well. So it's familiar with local people. It's a very, very good script. And do you know how I got the script? I asked ChatGPT, what is the best script? What is the best prompt to use to get a really high quality video script from ChatGPT? And they gave me it, and we tested it. And it was really high quality. The script is actually very, very good. So we built a tool for that. Okay, so we got local marketing videos can be done. And all you need to do is put in the business website, and it will do all the work. It will read the website, and it will come back with a video script that's personalized for that website and the locality as well. Okay, which is pretty cool.
That's crazy, man. I gotta say, the last demo I saw of yours that you sent me, you've added so much more, and it's just man, it's so crazy what you can do with this thing. Somebody said that they were getting jitters or something earlier in the chat. They said they're so excited. Me too, man. This is incredible.
Well, YouTube has got massive amounts of traffic, absolutely massive amounts. The key to YouTube is two things: is the click-through rate, and is the retention on the video, and ultimately the watch time as well. There's other things as well, but these are the main things. And you've got ChatGPT, you've got AI on your site creating really high quality video scripts. That's going to help with the retention. And plus, it's a very good copywriter for the metadata stuff that you have to put in there for the titles, descriptions, etc. as well. Now, before we had built this, you know, if I was going to optimize a video, and I do SEO, I'm pretty decent with SEO. I've done a lot of SEO tools and courses and stuff like that. I would call that a pretty decently optimized video, but that would have taken me at least 45 minutes to be able to do. Just for that description, it would have taken me at least 45 minutes to do. And you'd be thinking, what is the best hashtags and, you know, all that kind of stuff. And plus this timestamps, you would have to start and stop videos just to get the time. And then you have to manually put it in there. It's fiddly, it's awkward to do. Now everything is just done in a click. It's just incredible. And it can even do for your channel about page. It will do a very compelling description for your channel about page. It will create playlists from, if you do all those videos at one time, for example, like I've got here, at the end of that, I can just simply checkbox all, and there will be 4 buttons here after they've been uploaded. And one of them will be to do your channel about page. So even if you've got a brand new channel, you don't need to worry about that. You just click a button and you get your channel about page description done with hashtags and call to action, etc. And you can also, there's another button that will appear once these are uploaded. I think it's actually over here, see here in the uploads, and you can start to create playlists. Okay. And the key moments, you don't even need this one anymore because of that. We've actually built that into the first stage. We don't even need this button anymore, I don't think. So all of that is done in minutes. And what happened before AI? It would take us hours. It would take us hours to be able to do this kind of work.
So somebody's asking, how do they buy this thing, man? Tom's like, where's the buy link? How do I get it? He's ready to go. I don't know if you're done showing everything, but yeah, he's asking. Okay.
So before we get to the price, let me tell you what you're getting. Okay. So you get full unrestricted access to NicheBlasta. Okay. You don't have any restrictions on how many videos you can create or how many channels you can work with. There are no restrictions. You can use this as aggressively as you want. And I would suggest if you're going to purchase this, that you use it. Okay. It's a fantastic tool. It's fun to work with as well. Okay. You can create unlimited channels, schedule hundreds of new videos, and also you can do your future videos as well. Okay. So we have an offer, and this is discounted already. Okay. I've already discounted, so you don't have to fiddle about with coupons and stuff like that. Okay. So it's either $97 a month, or if you want to get for a year, it's usually $997. You can get it for $888. And for 10 people only, I'm doing a lifetime license. And I did this in a webinar for my own email list as well. And we sold these out actually on the webinar. I'm giving a lifetime license for $1,600. Okay. But with that lifetime license, I'm going to give you another tool as well. Okay. A very, very good tool. It's called SERPattack. And SERPattack is a tool that will click through on your results on the search engines. Okay. And the search results, and it will click through and watch your videos. And it's doing that dual thing of the CTR and retention. And we actually charge lifetime for that tool, $1,997 for SERPattack. For the 10 people who purchase the lifetime for NicheBlasta, I'm going to throw in SERPattack as well. And that is not a sort of BS value. We actually sell it at $1,997. Okay. But only for this webinar. Okay. And to get NicheBlasta, you can go to anthonyhayes.me/Jeremy. Okay. Now I'm going to give you some other tools as well for everybody else who purchases. And let me just show you another one here. And this tool I'm going to give you for anybody who purchases. You can get this as well. It's called VidCurate. Now, VidCurate is a very powerful tool. I was selling this in webinars not long ago for about $497, I think it was. Okay. And what we can do with this is we can create playlists in multiple different ways. Okay. I'm not going to go into all the different things. There's about 11 different ways to use this. But what we can do is we can go and search for a keyword. Let me just create a new project. And I'll just put something quickly here. I'll call this one affiliate marketing, for example. And we're supposed to fill in these fields here. I just do this initially anyway. And I'll choose a channel. I'll click on add a project. Now, what I can do is come over here and search and add. And what the idea is, we're going to create playlists, but I actually use this as a research tool more than I do for playlists. It's such a very, very good tool for that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in affiliate marketing. In fact, let's do something with ClickFunnels, because everybody is familiar with that. ClickFunnels. Now, the cool thing about NicheBlasta, before I go further, is that because we're able to tap into ChatGPT and we're able to do future scheduling, you can do what I call deep channel content. So if you want to do things for high ticket products like ClickFunnels or even NicheBlasta, if you wanted to promote that, you can, where you can get a recurring monthly income. You can do deep channel content. Now, you're not going to have every single video a winner, but it's going to hit some angles. It's inevitable. It's going to hit some angles that will drive traffic. Okay. Think about that when you think, about, for affiliate marketing, if you're doing it for tools like ClickFunnels or anything that's high ticket, whether it's gold or yachts or whatever it might be, you're going to hit some winners. It's inevitable that you're going to do that. So we've got some filtering in here if you want to find videos to create your playlist. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on search. I have to click this one a couple of times usually. Okay, so I've got all these different videos about ClickFunnels, and I can sort this by the number of views. You can see this one's got 245,000 views. Now, it's very easy for me just to checkbox a bunch of these. And I'm going to add them. Take one more. I'm going to import this into sort of dashboard. Now, if I want, I can move these videos up and down. And what I can do is come over to the info, and I can basically get the tags from all of those different videos. And you can see the most used tags for all of those videos. I'll click on these. I can add that there. I can insert the playlist items. Okay, you can see the names of the videos in here. We can also put some translation and stuff. I don't use that. We can put in some hashtags, which is going to be for those channels. So we'll take this one, take this one, take this one. Usually do 3. And you can write better descriptions. You can even get ChatGPT to write a description and paste it in here, and just put a better title here for your playlist. I'll call this one. ClickFunnels, this one, wasn't it? ClickFunnels essential videos. When you're creating playlists, if you're creating them, usually you are doing them as you are uploading your videos, and so they never get optimized. And it's just a shame because it's just very quick and easy to do. Okay, I'm going to click on save that, and you can see our playlist has been created, but we haven't put any videos on there yet. And you can see here we've got our title and description, etc., like I just did. Now what I can do is come over to the playlist items, check all, and update, and that's going to put those videos there. And it's very quick, very fast. Now when I come over here, I refresh, we've got a playlist optimized. This can rank.
That's awesome. That's crazy.
I was selling this on a webinar not long ago for $497, but there's multiple other things you can do here as well. In fact, I created with this little tool up here, you can barely see it. It's called SERP-Curate. And I created 50 different insurance videos for each state in US and in America. And all of them hit page one. Every single one of them hit page one. Okay, because we can auto add titles and hashtags and all different kinds of optimization stuff there. That one takes a little bit more setup, but you can get very, very good results. These playlists will actually rank. Okay, you can even go and find playlists that have been created from other people. So if I open this up and I put in here recipes, okay, you can put in things like children's stories, etc. as well. And you can search by keyword. Again, I need to click that a second time. Now, if I sort this by the views, well, you've got playlists here. You can see it's got like 9 million views. If I click on that, you can see all the videos in that playlist. You can choose all of these, or choose one or all. In fact, you don't even need to do that. You can just click on that. And you can combine it with other playlists as well. And you can actually import those, and it will create a brand new playlist on a brand new URL within your own channel. It does some very, very cool things. It's a fantastic tool, this one. Absolutely fantastic.
That's crazy. And this, and just to clarify again, this is a tool that you get on top of, this is a bonus that you're throwing in, right?
Yeah, as long as you are a member, you get this as well. I'm bundling this in with the membership, okay, so you can use that as well. And we will, continue to add more and more tools. And also they will get a autoresponder tool, a very, very high quality autoresponder tool. I'm going to throw in as well. And that one you can keep as a bonus, whether your membership expires or not. You can keep the autoresponder tool. And this is far better than anything you will see on JV Zero Warrior Plus. Okay, very, very good, high quality tech. It's called Keyrim. And I bought an agency license when it was on AppSumo, and I can just basically add unlimited people. The cool thing about Keyrim is that you can add as many subscribers as you want, and you will never be charged per subscriber. They only charge you for when you're sending emails out, okay? But you will get from me 30,000 email credits as well. Because when I bought the agency license, I think I've got something like 8 million credits. So I'll give everybody 30,000 credits as well. And you keep that regardless whether you stay in the membership or not. But I would suggest stay in the membership for NicheBlasta, because this is going to get better and better and better. And it's continually being improved, and every single week there's new things being added. So hopefully once we get the shorts done, it's going to make it a more complete software in my own mind for the things that we can do. And then we can start to think about building the web app.
Is anybody else having a problem purchasing? Somebody posted that they had a problem being able to buy there in the chat. If you want to take a look at that. I don't know if it's just for Tom or if it's for everybody. He had a bit of an error there. This is a crazy powerful software. I mean, YouTube, the thing about YouTube videos is, okay, Stephanie says working. Try to clear your guys. The videos stay there forever. It's like, it's not a one and done thing. Videos stay on there, and they can continue to drive traffic to whatever you've got for years. I've got videos that some of my videos I've posted, and they didn't take off until months or even years later. It's just all of a sudden, bam, I got traffic to a video, like a huge bunch of views to a single video or something. Tom said the lifetime deal is the issue he had, but YouTube is so powerful, and they're in direct competition now with TikTok and Instagram and all that, and all of these platforms, these social platforms, are pushing to give people more views. That's why you can post on different platforms and start getting a bunch of traffic. Somebody's, and this is just beautiful. Let's see.
A couple of other things in here I want to point out as well. Have a look at these tags, guys. This just read the sales page, and it's creating these tags. These are all spot on tags. And you can see this one down the bottom here, YTCC equals on. That means that when you're playing the video, I've switched the volume off, but you can see we'll automatically play the subtitles. Okay, so you can actually have the subtitles on there as well, just by adding this little tag here. You can even put it in your default settings. If you go to YouTube Studio, you've got default settings. I've got all of that covered in tutorials and webinars and stuff like that as well. So that's an extra.
Awesome. Yeah,
So
somebody else, Ken, is having that same, trying to get the lifetime.
Stephanie, can you have a look at the lifetime and make sure it's working?
Get it sorted out, I promise.
Stephanie, if not, then clone the product. Clone the product. And we'll just have to try another
now.
Okay.
And is there like a support email or something that people can email you guys if they need?
Well, we have support at anthonyhayes.me. We also have Telegram groups, and you can go into the Telegram groups, and we've got threads within the Telegram groups, topics in Telegram, where you can request support there as well as a support. We got tech support in there as well, so you can ask for tech support if you need some help with anything.
Right, Stephanie just posted the support email. Yeah, Gary's trying to get access to
Let me just check on. I need just a second to go in here and check this.
Sure. So I'm excited about this, guys. I mean, this is, there's so many different ways to use it. The fact that you can create new channels on the fly, zero experience, not knowing anything about the niche, that to me, that's impressive, because you can get into other niches that you never even thought you could before. But also you can use it for your own. So there's just so many different ways to use this thing. I love it. Yeah, I love it. We got several people that are wanting to get in, trying to get in. You'll be able to get in. If you need any help, there's the support at anthonyhayes.me. I'm going to post the link here again for you guys. We still got people coming into the room, y'all. It's just I'm still having people join in this room, webinar room. Do we have any more questions? Anybody got any more questions? I love answering questions, because questions, we don't want you to have something that you're thinking, well, is this or that? We want to be able to get those questions answered. So if you've got questions, go ahead and post them here. Yeah, Tom, they're working on it right now to try to get that working for you. I'm sure they'll figure it out.
I think I found a problem. I think I found a problem.
Okay.
Yeah, I think I found it. It's Stephanie, you need to clone the product, and where's got price number 5, go and change it to lifetime and get a separate buy button for that.
She's working on it now, she said. All right, y'all hang in there for just a minute. They're going to get it taken care of for you. Sorry about that. Any other questions? Who's excited about this? I mean, this is the real deal. It's not just some fly-by-night software. That's, and you guys know me. I don't recommend just everything and anything. I like to see stuff that actually works. It's actually usable. This is super powerful. Anybody could see it. Send me an email, Jeremy, when the shorts and TikTok. Okay. All right. Yeah. It's powerful. Really powerful. And I think the price point's spot on. I mean, golly, especially with the bonuses they're adding in. To use this, you get it. I like to think in terms of when it comes to prices, I like to think of terms of like, that's one sale, one sale of a thing. If you're selling something, if you're making videos for clients, local clients, you can charge hundreds of dollars to create videos for people. And you can do them in seconds with this powerful software. And then you got, you can create channels and playlists. Just think if you were managing 10 different clients, local or not, and they're automatically, this software automatically drips out the videos for each one of the channels, for each one of your clients every day. I mean, you just can't beat that. That's crazy. And what you can charge for it is insane. So I think the price point is very reasonable. And we've got the bonuses. If you get that lifetime access, he was talking about the SERP, I forget what you call it, but there's the SERP software. That's a legit, like he told me he was going to add that. We were talking before this webinar and he said, this isn't something I normally do, but I'll go ahead and throw it in for your people. That's a $997 software by itself.
$19.97.
1997.
Yeah, it's a $2,000 product. If you're into SEO, then it's a major product. There are people charging for those kind of tools hundreds of dollars per month. We've got one of the best. The big advantage of SERP is that we use real mobile IPs to do the views. Okay, we're not using proxies anymore. Well, you can use proxies if you want. What we're doing is real mobile IPs. And you can do these real mobile IPs by sharing your mobile IPs with other people. So somebody in Canada, somebody in Australia, somebody in America, somebody in UK, all sharing with each other, you can literally get access to thousands of unique IPs. Okay, because you need to have a spare telephone, a spare Android telephone to use it. You can pick those up for very, very low cost. You need to have a separate telephone plan, which is cheaper than purchasing proxies. Okay, and once you got it set up, then you can put you install a mobile app on your telephone, and you set it to auto change after every few minutes. Okay, you can choose how many minutes. I usually set mine to every 10 minutes, and because of that, that gives you access to literally hundreds of IPs from your own phone plan. Now, when you're sharing with 4 or 5 other people and they've got hundreds of IPs as well, and you've got multi-location, then you're getting unique IP video views from all over the world. You can literally drive thousands of views to any video by doing them. Okay, so it's such a powerful tool, and it will get you rankings even for competitive keywords, which is, it's fantastic. Okay,
Stephanie just said the link is now working. Sorry, I didn't mean to cut you off, but I just wanted everybody to know that she said the link is now working. If you click on the buy button, anthonyhayes.me/Jeremy. She posted it there in the chat. Sorry to interrupt you, Anthony.
No, it's good. You carry on. You carry on selling.
I just wanted everybody to.
Yeah, it's good. So yeah, the SERP is a major tool. It's such a powerful tool. I don't do backlinking anymore, and I've been doing SEO for years. I just use SERP, and if I do backlinking, I'll just do some press releases, so it's nice and quick and easy, and all that kind of stuff. We cover it every single week in the training as well. Every week, just different webinar, and we cover different strategies every single week. So you will learn all this stuff as well if you're not familiar with it, and even the sources as well, where to get things at low cost and the best tools to get and stuff like that.
I love that. I love that y'all do a training every week, a live training too at that, so people can ask questions. They can, I'm sure you're teaching something new every week as well. That's pretty awesome.
Well,
a lot of people don't do that.
We did one yesterday, and yesterday was about using SERP for NicheBlasta. So that webinar is there. It's ready to be viewed, and I just went through a live demo of how you can rank for multiple keywords and how to optimize your video titles for being able to use SERP properly, and how also I covered how we can rank web pages with YouTube video views. Okay, when you do views on YouTube with SERP, you can actually rank web pages. Sounds crazy, but it's true. And I explained to them how that works and showing them how we can do that. So yeah, we've got some unique stuff as well. It's not just run-of-the-mill kind of training. This is stuff that's come from being in the trenches and doing stuff. Okay, any other questions we got coming in?
Gary said the lifetime is still, still no. I tried to refresh the website, but no lifetime. What button are you clicking on?
Maybe try this. Hold on. Where's the chat gone?
It's at the
Damage.
bottom.
Yeah. Try this link here. Oh, that's not a link. That's a screenshot I get. It's working for me. This screenshot of what I get. This is what I'm seeing when I click on that. Okay, so let me just get that link again. Just 1 second. Try this. This bypasses the buy button, but it's the link that the buy button will click through to. Try that one there and let me know if that's working. Because when I click it, it takes me through to PayPal, which means.
Did you post it? Because I don't see it.
Yeah, it's in the meeting chat.
Make sure you said it to everyone.
Oh, I was sending it to Gunpal. The Gunpal sent us.
There it is.
There it is.
And also, if you continue to have issues, you can reach out support@anthonyhayes.me, and Stephanie gets you straightened out. There's always got to be something. There's always got to be some kind of issue. Of course, this is the worst kind of issue. You can't even buy. There's always, you know, when you're going live, it happens.
Yeah,
It happens.
webinar remnants.
There's always something when I do it, for sure. Let's see. And I will be sending a replay out. I have recorded this. Thankfully, I remembered to hit record this time. So, yeah, I know you kind of showed up a little late, but we'll send it out, and you don't want to miss it. This is this is super, super powerful. I love that y'all been adding to it and adding to it. Every week I've talked to Tony, they've added something new. It's like they're just constantly adding more to it.
Yeah, there's some good stuff to come as well. There's some stuff you can't really tell people what you're doing until it's built, because, you know, somebody might try to copy an idea or whatever, who's, you know, might think they can go and do a launch with it. But this tool is going to be very hard to replicate for anybody, simply because we can bypass the restrictions that YouTube put on you for the amount of videos that you can upload, okay? Because we built our own internal API. And so that means that we can do unlimited video uploads. So if somebody was trying to copy it, they would find some difficulties, but we've got some other tool ideas as well that I want to put in here that are very unique and very powerful, that once they are built in, you will see just some of this stuff is just amazing. It's just the power of what we can do with AI now. So yeah, there's more to come, and we're probably not going to be building any other tools for quite a while. Let's talk about the attendee bonus. I almost forgot about that. Okay, so I'm just going to I'm going to close this off, and I'm going to reopen the software, and I can show you. Okay, you need to install NicheBlasta to be able to get this, but we created a free tool within NicheBlasta that you can have a separate license key to access just this one tool that we built for you guys for this webinar. So I'm refreshing the software right now. I'm updating the software right now because it was just updated with this new tool for you guys. And so it should appear here now. Okay, so you can see we've changed the name over here. And now I need to get a license key. 1 second.
Anthony, you think that error might have something to do with what we talked about before the webinar?
The what?
The error that we talked about, is it, you think it might have something to do with what we talked about with the webinar, with the email addresses and things?
Oh.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, I don't think so. It shouldn't affect. No, it shouldn't. I've
Shouldn't
had
affect that.
no, it shouldn't. But if people are making purchases from this webinar, then
Tom
that
said he
should,
was still getting the same error. Use a different browser. Did you use the new link, Tom, that Anthony just posted? Here, I'll post it again.
and okay, so Zach said they didn't get back to you yet, yeah?
No, not yet.
They're in my time zone. They're in Indonesia.
Oh, they're probably asleep right now, aren't they?
They're about 1 hour ahead. That's probably why. They're usually fast. They've got a live chat there as well that you can connect with them as well. So I'm just going to add a license in here so you can see this new tool that we built for you guys.
Gotcha.
You need to install NicheBlasta to be able to access this tool, but with this separate license key. And you will see here's a tool here called NicheBlasta, okay? And what that does, it's going to allow you to do to create.
Let me cut you off. Gary said he got the new link to work for lifetime. Just FYI. Go ahead.
Okay, cool. Share that link again.
I did.
Okay, so this is a bonus we created for you guys. It's called NicheBlasta. You need to install the main NicheBlasta software tool, and we will give you a separate license for this. Okay, and when you click on new project, you've got 6 different copywriting formulas here. Okay, so let's take this features, advantages, and benefits, and you can just simply give it a project name, and I'll call this one affiliate just for lack of
Gary's
imagination.
in, Ken is in. They both said lifetime work for them. Awesome. Thanks, guys.
Okay, and we can put any URL in here. So let's put in here. Let's pick a URL from Warrior Plus if I can find one. Give me. Have you got a sales page URL? You can give me.
Who, me?
Yeah. Okay.
Maybe.
Warrior. I'll get into Warrior.
Not off the top of my head.
Okay. No worries. Here's what you can do is, guys, you can create video scripts. It won't create the video for you, but you're not leaving empty-handed. You're going to get a very, very high quality video script writer. So if you want to create a video yourself, you can do that. And I'm just going to go into affiliate offers, find one I've already been approved for, and I'll get the link. Take this Warrior Plus link. Hopefully it will work, because it's going to do a redirect, and I'll click on add the video. And so it's going to read and it's going to understand the sales page, and it's going to come back with a video script that you can use, and it will give you as well the data that you need if you want to upload the video. It will give you the YouTube description, the hashtags and stuff like that. So it's a nice tool. Just won't create the video, but you're not leaving it empty-handed. Give it a minute. I hope this works from the Warrior Plus link. I didn't want to put the NicheBlasta one because last time I created a 4-minute video. Pardon me.
Here's a question. I don't know how to answer. Kathy says, as ChatGPT changes and upgrades to 4.5 and more, will NicheBlasta keep working? I assume that they would.
Yeah. We're using GPT-4 for the video scripts. And we will be introducing other AIs as well, like Bard and some other ones as well. We will. It's not just ChatGPT. It's not just OpenAI. We will use other AIs as well. Some AIs are better than others for specific tasks, and we're kind of watching out for that kind of stuff as well. So you've got Bards, you've got OpenAI, you've got I forget the names of them now. Probably Gunpal can tell us he's watching those kind of things very closely. So yeah, it's going to create your video script. It's also going to create your metadata, your titles, and all that kind of stuff to use. All you have to do is record the video. So if you like talking and making videos, this is a nice tool, especially for affiliate marketers. It's pretty cool. You can do video ads, or the video ads, but you can use them just as normal videos, even if you don't want to buy traffic.
Yeah, and I want to stress again, guys, that this isn't one of those one-off tools where they develop it and then you never see them again. They've been working on this thing. They continually have been building this thing and adding to it for months and months. I know this personally because I've been talking with Tony for months about it. And so, and the other good thing is you can suggest things to them, and they're very personable people, so they could potentially add things that you might want to see. So they'd love to have your ideas. If you show up to their live calls every was it every week or every month? I forget your live calls.
Every week. Every Friday we do them every Friday. So today's webinar got pushed back till Sunday because we were doing this one. But I gave them an extra one yesterday as well. So I did a webinar on Serpatec. I'm using Serpatec yesterday. So we did one session. We'll have another one on Sunday. Often we will do two. I like doing webinars. I don't mind doing webinars. It's not only sales webinars. And I share a lot of stuff as well within the groups. So, you know,
I love that y'all do that. That's awesome.
Yeah. Okay, so this is worked, and you can see we've got a title here: how to multiply your traffic by 5, 10, or even 100 with Traffic Armageddon. I don't even know what that tool is or what that product is, but it's giving you all the metadata. So it's giving you the transcript. So if you're comfortable to read out in Camtasia or something like that, you can make really good videos. In fact, you can make shorts from this. You can make YouTube shorts from this and put them on TikTok, put them on Instagram. So everybody gets this. Stephanie, did we manage to find a way to give them this? If not, what I'll do is I will go through all the attendees and we will manually send access out, but I think we were going to try and do a landing page.
She said yes. And Stephanie, you're sending those messages directly to me, just so you know. Now, should they use that link? I know the other guys were saying they were having success with the AnthonyHayes.Zaxa link.
The thing is, we got lifetime cookies. It should show up as, but we've got it in for one day. We've got to do manually. I think I'll look into it when we finish the webinar. But don't worry, we'll keep track of whatever's there and send you a report from that.
Oh, that's all good. I just want to make sure people are able to get in. All these bonuses too. That's awesome. These are actual bonuses that he's throwing in. He doesn't do it all the time.
Yeah, this is a great tool. This little one. It's the first time I've used it. This is what I mean. You've seen me use it the first time I've seen it, so it's very quick and very easy and very intuitive to use. And this is giving you all the stuff you need. All you need to do is record on Camtasia. So even if you're not purchasing NicheBlasta today, guys, you've got a nice video script builder for free.
Yeah, that's sweet. Thanks for doing that. This is the bonus just for showing up, right? What you're showing now.
Yeah.
Awesome. Appreciate you doing that.
No, cool. I said it would be something good, something quality. This is very good. I like it very, very much. Okay, so Stephanie, do we create a way for them to get this landing page, or do we need to send it out manually? If you didn't manage to do it, because we got this delivered right before the webinar, so we kind of
said yes.
Yeah. Can you put the link in and let's see if somebody can test and make sure it's working. And if it's not working, then we will have to send it out manually, but hopefully it's working and you can access.
Kathy said it's working. So if we have any more questions, anybody else got some questions? Now would be a great time to ask. We love those questions. We love to make sure that you're 100% clear on everything. I think it's just such a powerful tool, no matter what your industry, no matter what your niche, no matter what niche you might want to go into that you might not be in, no matter, I mean, if you're a local agency, this is powerful for servicing your clients. It's just another service that you can provide with just like effortlessly provide this service to them. If you're a guy like me who does affiliate marketing and launches my own products and things like that, this is freaking amazing. Gary says, can you send videos to an opt-in page instead of an affiliate product? That's a good question.
Yeah, you would you would want to use the video ads for that one. You in the NicheBlasta tab here, what you would do, let me just open one of these up. If I click on generate here, use one of the video ads with your landing page URL, no matter which one you choose for the copywriting formulas, whether it's features, advantages, benefits, or before, after, whatever. All you need to do is put in your landing page in here, and it will create a video from that. Okay. It will just go and read the sales page, and it will create the video according to the formula with the prompts that we put in the background into the software. Okay, so you can do it with landing pages, use the video ads, and it will work. Okay, you'll get decent quality videos with that. And short videos as well, which is often, I think, for promotional videos are often better, because you just want to get the main points across and a call to action, and either get somebody to go and get on your email list, or send them to an affiliate page, or whatever you want to do. Okay, services page, whatever you want to do.
That's awesome.
Yeah. And the news one as well, this is very interesting for me, because if you are familiar with people who are building channels that are like community channels on YouTube, you can do this in any niche, like sports, football teams, for example, where people are always looking for the latest news about their football team or whatever the sports team is. If you create a video a day like that, you start to build a following with that kind of thing. You can do it for politics, which has got massive traffic, no matter what side you're on. You can do it for breaking news kind of stuff. Again, massive traffic. You can hit the trends with that particular prompt that's behind this one. All you do is you put in an article URL, so you can get an article from BBC or anywhere for breaking news, and just put that link in, and it's going to create a video for you. Okay, as it's breaking. You can have it, if a breaking news story comes out, you can have a video on YouTube 5 minutes later, optimized, and probably sitting on page 1 and getting a bunch of traffic.
Wow.
Yeah,
that's powerful. That's cool.
Yeah. And let's see, I've got in here.
Man, there's just so much you can do.
Yeah. Let me just come back over here to go into the Google Docs and find we had a really good script. I want to share that script as an example. See, dentist, it was definitely a dentist.
A lot of local businesses just don't think to do YouTube videos for some reason, and it's so powerful.
Okay, I'm going to share this with you guys. This is a prompt you can use as well. So if you haven't bought NicheBlasta, you can do that. But have a look at the example of the video script. I'll just highlight that here, and you can see the quality of the video script. Now you can just put in a URL for any business, and in NicheBlasta, if you choose local business with URL, then you can just put in the URL, and it's going to create a video script like this. Okay, let me just grab this. In fact, I'll just give you the whole document. Okay, so you can see it was used as well, so that's kind of handy. I'll just put that into the chat for you. but this can be automated if you've got NicheBlasta. And this video script is friendly, it's local as well, and it's very good quality video script. This is what NicheBlasta is producing, like this. Okay.
That, you know, that really takes a lot of the work out of it. That's one of the hardest things when it comes to videos is what, you know, what are the words that I say or use? What should be, you know, I think that stops a lot of people. They want to be perfect with it, but this just makes it simplistic, man. ChatGPT is a beautiful thing, beautiful tool.
Yeah, everything changed when that came out. Just the whole landscape has changed. Even if you look on Warrior Plus now, most of the tools coming out are AI tools.
Yeah.
There's no turning back now. There's just no way. There's just going to keep progressing. But the productivity has increased 1,000 times. I mean,
yeah. And it looks and it sounds so real. I mean, you can't tell the difference between something written by ChatGPT and a human. You just can't. You can't tell anymore. Kathy says, "I can help more people." Absolutely.
Yeah, it's a good way of thinking. I like that.
I love that.
If you're worried about like things about like doing articles with ChatGPT and you know that kind of stuff might get noticed and penalized, well, when you're doing it for video, it doesn't work like that because your video script is doing the work, okay, for your video, so you will never get penalized for that. And because we can do these videos in just a few clicks, you can just keep knocking these out, like high quality copywriting. I was never good at copywriting. I'm a creator, but I'm not a copywriter. I create with great tools. I'm very, very good with SEO stuff and traffic stuff, but copywriting was never my strength. Now I never need to worry about that again. Never. You just know there's very, very high quality coming out of these prompts that we're putting in here. And we've tested them as well. All of the prompts that are in the background of the software. So when you put in your URL, it's using a prompt that we know is going to produce high quality output. So you're getting high quality copywriting with your titles, your video scripts, and even the optimization is very, very good. These videos rank very well as well. What you'll find though with the plantar fasciitis channel, I'll just bring that over. Is that the same one? No, it's not. Let me just see.
Thanks, Kathy. Thanks for joining us.
Not that one. Where did I put that?
I'm still trying to get over the fact that I can go in and create channel after channel after channel with hundreds of videos. They're dripped out. I mean, it's just within clicks. It's just a few clicks. Golly, man. Can I add my own videos? Yes, you can add your own. I think they've answered that a few times. You can use your own video clips and stuff.
You can see in here from the analytics from that channel that all of these views are organic views. They're not from ads.
Wow.
Most of them come from suggested video, browse features, channel pages, other YouTube features, and very, very few actually come from SEO, which is actually good. And let me explain why. If you're not seeing there's a lot of search traffic, that means you've still got that avenue that you can pursue. So if you got SERP attack, then you're able to go and really attack those keywords as well, to be able to get more traffic from both Google and YouTube. SERP attack will help you to rank in both Google and YouTube. So you can do that. You can even use Bing and Yahoo search engines with SERP attack as well. But you can see none of this is not paid ads that I run to make a channel look good. This is real. 42,541 views, mostly from suggested videos. This is all the YouTube algorithm, and that's the power of ChatGPT. Okay, so it's creating content that's inevitable. You're going to find some winners. It's just hard to say how you can fail. If you were a very good copywriter and you were doing your optimization, you were doing your video scripts, and you had the same qualities for the standards of copywriting that ChatGPT has got, you would expect for all the work that you put in that you were going to find some winners. And just because it's automated, it doesn't take that away. It doesn't take that away. You can expect some winners. It's just inevitable, in my mind anyway, that you're going to find, you know, some channels and some videos that really take off. That then you can double down. You can go and find the offers to monetize, whether it's affiliate marketing or cost per action, whatever it might be. You could even do rank and rent channels for local businesses. So you can take their business website URL and put that into the video ads tools. That will give you 6 ads. And plus you've got a local marketing script as well that you can make your main video and put that in. You can charge a lot of money for that.
And you've got training that covers like how to use the tool and everything like that.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. So
Yeah.
somebody asked a question. What would you think? How would you use this for like children's story videos and things like that? Could you
That's one of the things I want to do. Children's stories. I was playing around with some prompts for that. I haven't got the prompts right, but yes, it will be added. We want to add children's stories. I haven't got the prompt right yet, but when I do, then we will do it. Okay, so it's coming. It's definitely coming.
And I imagine if you already had the story scripts, you could use it anyway.
Yeah, you can use it anyway. You can put in your own scripts in here.
Yeah.
Oh, you have to. And you got a lot of flexibility. So instead of using the generate, you just click on add. And so you can put in your transcript here yourself. You can even do your own prompts as well in here. You can generate.
So the short answer is yes, you could use these for story videos, children's story videos, but you'd have to come up with your own script. Sorry,
Yeah,
I
you
didn't mean.
Put in your own prompt here as well. I'll just do it directly in ChatGPT. When you get the script, put it in here and it will create the video for you.
I bet you could go to Google and search for children's story ChatGPT. I always get that ChatGPT prompts, and I bet you could get a lot of good results from that for people that can create really nice stories. I mean, you know, a story and it just turns it into a video. Also, somebody said, did you say you can do click per call? Yeah, so you can do that.
No, what I was saying is if you want to do it for local marketing, do some kind of rank and rent channels, and you can do that. You would just have a call to action. There's no way to do click to call within YouTube that I'm aware of. But you can use it if you're doing local marketing cost per action kind of campaigns where you get paid for insurance leads and stuff like that. You can do all that kind of stuff as far as like create the videos for them.
That's actually brilliant. Yeah. And you could have it go to like a generic page for like that local area, top insurance agent in, you know, Phoenix, Arizona or whatever, and have all the videos rank and go to that page. And then you can rent out any client to be utilizing that page, so to speak. Let's see.
And we got some other bits in here if you want to, you know, once you got your script, you can make it longer. You can add it, you can tell it to expand on the key points, make it more energetic, make it humorous. You can play around with this and you can, you know, when your script is there, you don't have to take the first script that you get, you can expand on it, you can make it better. You can change the tone of the writing, etc. So you got more options here as well. Make it intense, make it authoritative, energetic, humorous, lighthearted, whatever. You got a whole bunch of different options in here.
Sweet. Sweet. Any more questions?
You can
I know
even
that for the lifetime, we've got some special bonuses that if you get lifetime, it's only for the people who get it through this call. And I forget what you call it, Serpatech.
Yeah.
If you get the lifetime access, which Serpatech by itself is $19.97, is $1,997.
Yeah.
And I can't remember if you added some other lifetime bonus. We've talked about several different bonuses.
Yeah, there was VidCurate as well, the one that does the playlist. But VidCurate you can also do for research. You don't need to just do playlists. Let me show you something very cool actually about VidCurate. This is how I use VidCurate. Show you in just a second. Such a powerful tool. It does so much. There's about 11 main things you can do with this. Now, when I'm in here, what was that one I just did? Affiliate marketing. You can right click on the channel name here and you can send it over to Channel Spy. Okay, when you're in Channel Spy, you can see all the videos from that channel. You can sort it by the views. And so you can see what's working in any niche. You could do this in any niche whatsoever. So you create in your playlist builder, you add some videos and then you right click on this, and you can do this in any niche at all, whether it's health niche, fitness, psychology, wherever it might be. And you can just right click, go to Channel Spy. Once you're in Channel Spy, sort it by the views, and you can see the best performing topics within that particular niche for that channel. So you can do research in seconds that would normally take you a long time. And that's not even using AI. That's just the power of this particular tool. Such a powerful tool. And so you can see in anybody's channel what's working. You can go and find in multiple channels, you know, what's working. You can see what's working today as well. Powerful stuff.
It's really a YouTube beast. It's a beast. And a lot of people asked me when I was mailing out and inviting people to the call, a lot of people asked me, Jeremy, what does it do? And I was just like, I can't really, if I try to explain what it does in an email, like I will do it so injustice. Like it's really hard to describe. You have to see it in action. It does so much, so powerful. But it's absolute YouTube beast. And I would go to say that whether you are a YouTube person or not, this is powerful because it allows you to leverage YouTube without needing any experience in it. This tool just does it all for you. And so, you know, it creates the video, it creates the titles and the very heavily SEO'd descriptions and the hashtags and everything, and uploads them for you. It can create the playlist, it can drip out the videos for you, and so much more. It's just incredible. So, you know, that's why I didn't really go into great detail in those emails, but I'm sure now that you've seen it, it's just insane. Any more questions before we wrap this up? I think we've been on for 2 hours now, and I'm sure a lot of you are ready to get going with your day. But I've got the link there in the chat. If you want to pick it up, hit that link and pick it up. If you have any questions, let me get that chat, so that support email one more time. Let's see, I have to scroll up to get it. Here it is. Let me put the support email in there as well. If you have any more questions, you can reach out to them at that email address, support@anthonyhayes.me, with any more questions that you might have. And I want to thank everybody that has come out and stuck with us. We still got people sitting here on the call with us. Truly appreciate you showing up. Thanks to everybody who got in as well. I still got people. I just admitted another person into the room. I still got people trying to come into the room, even though now we were pretty much wrapping it up. But last minute questions. Anybody got any more questions before we go ahead and wrap it up? Unless Anthony has anything else to add.
No, really. One thing I forgot to mention is once you've uploaded your videos. Let's see the one I've got here. What you can do is you can click on send to in here and send it over to the rank checker. Okay, you just got to check boxes and it will go and check your rankings in 3 different search engines. So it's just a checkbox all of them. Start checking rankings. It might be too soon for the rankings, but I don't know yet. It depends on the topics. So this one's ranked number 1. This one not yet. These are not showing up yet, but they will.
Wow.
So it's checking YouTube, it's checking Google Universal, and it's checking Google Video as well. I'll show you what that means actually just quickly if I go in here.
Assuming we still haven't even covered all the features of this thing. I'm sure there's still more.
So if you're in Google, this is the results. This is your main results in here. But you also got in here, sometimes you find videos in here, but you also got in here video tab. So that's Google Video. So when it's checking for the rankings, you can see there's checking for rankings in 3 different ways, for YouTube, for Google, and for Google Rank as well. Usually the rankings will show up after a few hours, depending on how competitive those keywords are, of course, because some of the keywords can be competitive, but most of the traffic you find from using this is going to come from Google Suggest, from what we've seen so far. And if you're using Sepatag, then you can really boost the rankings even for competitive keywords. So yeah, I forgot about
It just gets better and better. Awesome. Well, Anthony, I really appreciate you showing up and showing my people this. I mean, I really do. I know you got other things that you could be doing. I know everybody here on the call has things that you could be doing. Thank you for spending that time with us. Thank you. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that are, on my email list and have stuck with me for a long time. Brian says, excellent product. Awesome. Yeah, contact the support. If you have any issues whatsoever, they'll get you taken care of. All right, everybody. Thank you very much again for joining the call. We'll see you guys again soon.
All right. Thanks, Jeremy.